Filipinos eat with their hands. Filipinos want rice with every meal. Filipinos don't like condoms. Filipinos like sweet spaghetti. Filipinos hate sunlight. Filipinos are afraid of the rain. Filipinos are extremely jealous. Filipinos like anything Korean, TV, food, music. Filipinos love karaoke. Filipinos drink beer and gin. Filipinos are private about their personal life. Filipinos love having babies.